Here we have 79 raised to the power 78 versus 78 raised to the power 79. Which of these two numbers is the bigger number or the smaller number? Now, to solve this, solution. So we are going to use this parameter to confirm which of them is the bigger number or the smaller number. So let us call 79 raised to the power 78. Let's give it A, and then we'll call 78 raised to the power 79. We give it B. Now, in this case, if we divide A over B and we get a value that is greater than 1, this means that A is greater than B. But if we divide A over B and we get a value that is less than 1, this means that A is less than B. So the value of A and value of B is the one that we're going to compare by first of all dividing the two values. A is 79 raised to the power 78 divided by B is 78 raised to the power 79 versus B is 78 raised to the power 79 divided by B, which is 78 raised to the power 79. Now, from here, what we have is 79 raised to the power 78 over 78 raised to the power 79 versus, if we divide this, the value is 1. So, from here, let us simplify this. We have 79 raised to the power 78 over 78 raised to the power 79 can be written as 78 plus 1, such that we can then apply this rule of indices that if you have a raised to the power b plus c, this equals a raised to the power b times a raised to the power c. Applying this rule right here, what we have is 79 raised to the power 78 over 78 raised to the power 78 times 78 raised to the power 1. So from here, this is simply equal to 79 raised to the power 78 over 78 raised to the power 78. Then we can write this as times 1 over 78 raised to the power 1 is same thing as 78. So from here, applying this rule of indices, if you have a raised to the power b over b raised to the power c, this equals in brackets a over b all raised to the power c. Applying this rule right to this, what we then have is in brackets 79 over 78, then all raised to power, since we have the same powers, power of 78, then times 1 over 78. With this, let us then simplify this value. We have 79 over 78, which can be written as 1 plus 78 all over 78. And if we split this fraction, this can be written as 1 over 78 plus 78 over 78. So from here, we have this equals 1 over 78 plus this divide this, we have 1. Such that, don't forget that this is the value of 79 over 78. So we got 1 over 78 plus 1. So writing this, that we have in brackets 1 over 78 plus 1 to replace 79 plus 78, then all raised to power 78, then times 1 over 78. Good. So with this, to then solve this further, we're going to make use of the Euler's formula. Now, the Euler's formula states that if you have 1 plus 1 over n, all raised to power n, this is equal to e. And the value of e is approximately equal to 2.7182, which is less than 3. So we are going to then manipulate this 1 over 78 plus 1 to resemble the Euler's formula expression, so that what we have is this, okay, that we have in brackets 1 plus 1 over 78 multiplied by power of 78 times 1 over 78. So we've made this expression to resemble the Euler's formula. So right here we have 78 here, we have 78 here, we have n here, we have n here. It's in this Euler's formula expression. And following the Euler's formula expression, this is simply equal to E. and the value of b is less than 3. So this will give us a value less than 3, then times we have 1 over 78. From here, multiplying a value less than 3 times 1, you will get less than 3 over 78. So don't forget that this is simply equal to a and this is b. A is the numerator while b is the denominator. So looking at this, if we divide a value less than 3 over a value of 78, what you will get is a value that is less than 1. So from here, that a is less than b, what we have is this, going back to our identity, that if you have a over b less than 1, this means that a is less than b. So this is less than b, such that 78 raised to power 79 is the biggest value. So with this, we've gotten the biggest value. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.